How to download Starlink application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using Android device just like me, simply head over to your Play Store and just click on search button over here. And once you're inside this search button, simply click on the search icon over at the top. So just searching for Starlink application and you will be seeing this application. So for your confirmation, it has over 5 million plus downloads. So simply click on it and just hit the install button and wait for some time. Depending on your internet speed, it will be downloaded and installed on your device. So just wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, it's being installing on the device. And once it gets downloaded, simply click on open to open the application, and from here on you can simply start your setup just like this. So that is exactly how you can easily download and install your Starlink application from your Play Store on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.